A step ahead, the story of the first athlete-sponsored sneaker. In the annals of sports history, there are moments that define eras, and there are individuals whose actions change the game forever. One such moment occurred in 1920s Germany, when a young shoemaker and a sprinter named Jesse Owens forged a partnership that would change the world of sports and fashion forever. It was in a modest workshop in Herzogenaurach, Germany, that a visionary named Adi Dassler, known to his friends as Adi, was quietly revolutionizing the craft of shoemaking. With a focus on quality and innovation, Adi Dassler had a singular goal: to create the perfect shoe for athletes. Adi was relentless in his pursuit of excellence. He believed that the right pair of shoes could elevate an athlete's performance, turning a good competitor into a champion. But for his vision to truly take flight, he needed someone to take that first step. That someone was a young African-American athlete from Ohio who would soon captivate the world. Jesse Owens was a track and field phenomenon, but in the 1930s, he was more than just an athlete. He was a symbol of hope and resilience in a time of deep racial division. As the 1936 Berlin Olympics approached, the world's eyes turned to Owens, wondering if he could defy not only his competitors but also the oppressive ideologies of the time. It was against this tense backdrop that Adi Dassler approached Jesse Owens with a proposition. Adi offered Owens a custom-made pair of track shoes, designed specifically for him. These shoes, lighter and more durable than anything Owens had worn before, were crafted with hand-forged spikes to provide superior traction on the cinder tracks of the Olympic Stadium. In a time when athletes rarely received sponsorships, let alone from international brands, Owens took a chance on Dassler's offer. It was a decision that would not only secure his place in history, but also mark the dawn of a new era in sports marketing. The partnership between Owens and Dassler set a precedent. It was the first time an athlete's endorsement played a pivotal role in the success of a product, sparking a revolution in the way sports and business would intersect in the years to come. Over the decades, the idea of athlete endorsements evolved, with sneakers becoming a canvas for collaboration between sports stars and brands. From Michael Jordan's Air Jordans to LeBron James's Nikes, the legacy of Jesse Owens's partnership with Adi Dassler is evident in every athlete-sponsored sneaker that followed. But beyond the business of it, there's something more profound in that moment in 1936. It was the beginning of a shift, a recognition that athletes were not just participants in sport, but cultural icons with the power to inspire change and challenge norms. Jesse Owens returned home to a divided America, a hero in the eyes of many, yet still facing the harsh realities of segregation. The shoes he wore in Berlin, a symbol of his triumph, reminded the world that greatness could not be contained by the color of one's skin or the barriers of one's time. Today, the shoes that Jesse Owens wore in 1936 are enshrined in museums, a testament to a moment that transcended sport. They are a reminder of how one athlete's courage, combined with one man's vision, could change the course of history. This is the story of the first athlete-sponsored sneaker, a tale of innovation, determination, and the enduring impact of a single step taken on the world stage. Written and produced by Soul Sphere. Thank you for watching.